Gurseema has again invited a beautiful, elegant woman, but yes, a professional personality, a perfectionist, and by profession, she's a dentist. So, very warm welcome to Dr. Ravneet Kaur. Very warm welcome, Dr. Ravneet.
Thank you so much for having me. It's such a pleasure that you called me on your show.
Indeed, the pleasure is mine that you accepted the invite for Friday, the guest day, and for the Gurseema's Gup-Shup.
Thank
So
you.
I would like to start that Dr. Ravneet, please just share a brief intro about yourself.
Okay, so I am Dr. Ravneet. I'm a dentist by profession.
Right.
I practice in Amritsar
Okay.
at Dukh Nivaran Dental Clinic.
So you have got your own dental clinic.
Yes.
And you're Amritsar based only, right from the
Yeah.
starting, you're from Amritsar?
So I did my schooling in Amritsar. I did my college in Amritsar. So I've been in Amritsar my whole life. I got married here.
You got married
Yeah.
here. And may I know the name of your better half?
So I got married to a dentist, Dr. Simar Chadda.
Okay,
And-
Dr. Simar Chadda.
Yeah.
And was it something planned that Dr. Ravneet ki you being the dentist,
Yeah.
you opted to get married to a dentist?
So
Or it was you opted to, your parents chose, or it was a sweetly woven love story?
So
To be
never-
honest with your answer, please.
Okay, sure. So never in my mind I thought that I'd be marrying a dentist.
Okay.
I was-
तो dentist तो नुमाड़े लगते हैं.
No, just that I was not looking to get married
Okay.
at that point in my life. But
Okay.
my parents were obviously looking for perspectives. So they were asking me send some pictures and we'll send it to different people. So I was
Right.
sending away the terrible pictures of me, bad pictures. So I
You
don't.
were sending the
Yeah.
terrible pictures of yours.
Yeah.
Jad ki, my dear audience, ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ, I have seen all my cousins also married, all my young, cousins. ਉਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਫੋਟੋਗ੍ਰਾਫਸ ਆਪਣੇ ਭੇਜਣਗੇ ਔਰ 10 ਵਜੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਹੇਲੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਣਗੀਆਂ ਐਚ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਵੀ ਐਚ ਨੱਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਡ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਮੋਟੀਆਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਟ੍ਰਾਈਡ ਵਾਈਸ ਵਰਸਾ
Yeah.
ਓਕੇ
So that didn't work out because.
ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਭੇਜੀ ਤੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਿਮਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ ਗਈ
Matlab, Nata, he had seen me in college because we had different colleges.
Okay.
But once during, we had separate schools also.
Okay.
So for 1 or 2 years, he shifted to my school.
Your school was
Springdale Senior School, yeah.
Springdale's, okay.
So maybe during one of
I
the...
would like to mention, Rajiv sir, I am really honored that you're the alumni of your school. They are so professionally well developed and they have come here for Gurseema's Gup-Shup for the interaction show. Indeed, honor is all mine.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
an awesome school. And
Okay,
they
please
give
continue
such
then.
good education. So during that time, during that 1 or 2 year, maybe one of the day, because all the juniors and the seniors, they are separate, and he was a year senior to me, right?
Okay.
So-
Dr. Simar was senior to
Yeah,
you?
he was senior.
Okay.
So maybe one of the days when the juniors and the seniors were sitting together for maybe for a presentation or some exam or
Some
something.
get together.
Yeah. So he
there
saw
was a
me.
get together, that was the get together of the hearts. Somehow it happened.
So he just had a glimpse of me at that time.
Okay.
So coming
And
back
you
to
clicked
the maybe
his heart.
something clicked.
Okay.
So coming back to the present day when I sent the terrible picture for my marriage proposal and he saw the photo and he was like, that's not what she looks like. I've seen her maybe some time back in time.
Okay.
So he was like, maybe I like to meet her. So that's how we
Okay.
met and then
And then you were with the same mind setup कि नहीं कुछ खराब ही होना चाहिए हाँ नहीं होनी चाहिए
Yeah, both
or
of
you
us.
got inclined towards his conversation and you yourself said yes.
so both of us were not in the mindset to get married, but when we talked and talked. So
Okay,
that's
but you were in mood to go for the courtship. Indeed, yes. Please carry on, ma'am.
we had a lot of pressure from our parents
Okay.
to go through with this, but when we talked to each other, we were not showing to our parents that we are actually liking
We have
meeting.
started liking each
Yeah.
other.
So-
Right.
So we talked and we really thought that we are comfortable with each other, we understand each other's point of view, and this
so
could be a
to
good.
conclude, it was a sweet, well-knitted love story
Yeah.
to the love come arranged marriage.
Yeah.
Right. I just want to know, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ according, total percentage, because you're a dentist, so some questions related to your dentistry. ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕੁ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਦੇ 32 ਦੰਦ ਪੂਰੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ? ਨਾਰਮਲੀ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ, ਅਗਲੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ 32 ਸੀ ਵਿਖਾ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ 32 ਪੂਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਮਾਈ ਮਾਊਥ ਕਿ ਆਈ ਸ਼ੁਡ ਨਾਟ ਸਪੀਕ ਮਚ or open my mouth wide, because your husband knows, your doctor knows very well ki kinne implantation is required. Anyways, so according to you, kinne k bande ne 32 dand pure hunde ne?
The thing is ki aajkal people are really afraid of going to dentist. That should be put out of equation, because we are not some butchers, right? We are here to help you, we are here to guide you. Asi sade ko koi bhi patient aanda, we try to guide them. This is brushing technique, this is how
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੋ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਇਹ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਸੁਣਨ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਦਾੜ ਦੁਖਦੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਕਹੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਕੋ ਜਾਣ ਲਈ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੈ, ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂਟਲੀ ਪ੍ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਆਈ ਐਮ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਇਨਫ, ਦਿਸ ਵਿਲ ਨਾਟ ਹੈਪਨ. ਬਟ ਯੈਸ, ਵਨ ਮੋਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਈ ਵੁਡ ਲਾਈਕ ਟੂ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੀਡ.
ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਦੁਖਦੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ,
ਦੁੱਖ ਨਿਵਾਰਨ, your clinic's name is ਦੁੱਖ ਨਿਵਾਰਨ, right? My next question, brushing of hair is more important or brushing of teeth is more important?
I think teeth daily, because we are using more of our teeth.
ਭਾਈ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਕੰਘੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਤੇ ਕਰੋ, ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਦੰਦਾਂ ਤੇ ਬ੍ਰਸ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਬ੍ਰਸ਼ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੋ, that is your personal issue. So that's the dentist opinion. ਮੇਰਾ opinion ਲੋਗੇ, ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ's opinion again gonna be vice versa. Anyways, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਬਾਂਹ ਦਾ ਐਕਸ-ਰੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਐਕਸ-ਰੇ, ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਦੰਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਐਕਸ-ਰੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ, you have got the tooth picks in particular, there are the x-rays that you take.
So we've got a digital x-ray, and anytime a
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
patient,
ਕੀ, I mean, ਦੰਦ ਤੇ again ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, you examine it, then you say,
see, it's just not we examine it, we try to educate the patient ki dekho, you also try to understand what we understand.
but these days I suppose that you dentistry has become a very very popular occupation, because everyone wants to have a bright and white smile, and everyone is concerned ki ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੰਦ ਅਬੜ ਖਬੜ ਨਾ ਹੋਣ, it should not be uneven, it should give a smart look. So I think dentist is required everywhere, except on what planet you feel dentists are not required?
I've seen I don't know.
Doctor is out of screen, but some voice, if you will, my audience, if you will hear some voice, that is surely the voice of her better half, Dr. Simar Chadda. But doctor, no clues, please. Hanji, continue.
So I think even people without teeth need teeth now.
Yes, and now
dogs
we have
today are getting some sort of root canal treatment.
Dogs
Even
are also
animals,
getting root
yeah.
canal. ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ ਰੂਟ ਕਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਈ ਨੈਵਰ ਐਮ ਰੈਡੀ, ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਵਰਸਟ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਕਿ ਟੂ ਕਮ ਟੂ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ, ਬਟ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਸਰਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਸੀਰੀਅਸਲੀ ਕਿ ਡੌਗਸ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਰੂਟ ਕਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਈ, ਆਰਟੀਸੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ
Since you are
ਚੁੱਕੀ.
going towards planets, let's focus on Earth first, right? So
But otherwise, because people are, they are fond of pets, they are, especially dog lovers are there, so they are actually going for the root canals of the dogs also.
yeah, I mean, in some cases, we've seen some cases.
That's strange.
Lions too.
Yeah, lions too.
Okay. Why wisdom tooth is called as wisdom tooth?
Because
ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਦੀ ਨਾ ਅਕਲ ਦਾੜ ਆ ਗਈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਬੜੀ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਦੋਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵਿਜ਼ਡਮ ਟੂਥ ਆ ਗਏ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਅਕਲ ਦਾੜ ਆ ਗਈ ਹੈ. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਬੇਅਕਲਾ ਹੀ ਤੁਰਿਆ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਸਾਰੀ ਅਕਲ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ. ਵਾਈ ਵਿਜ਼ਡਮ ਟੂਥ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਵਿਜ਼ਡਮ ਟੂਥ?
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਸ ਏਜ ਚ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, above 20, 21, it goes on
ਫਿਰ
maybe
ਮੈਂ ਮੇਰੇ
30s
ਹਿਸਾਬ
or
ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਤੰਗ ਵੀ
40s.
ਕਾਫੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਵਿਜ਼ਡਮ ਟੂਥ ਇਜ਼ ਕੁਆਇਟ
If it is in an odd position, it tends to pain.
okay. Now my question is, female dentist is better than the male dentist or vice versa?
I think they are both equally good if they are passionate about their work, because there's nothing male or female about dentistry. It's just how passionate you are about your work.
ਉਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ you feel that when the extraction is required, a male dentist is better than the female dentist?
It's all
because
about
ਉਖਾੜਨ ਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵੀ males are much better than ਉਖਾੜਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੰਮ ਚ
that's
rather
not
than
the
implantation.
case. You have to think how you're going to extract
Okay.
it.
I would like to, I just wrote something. ਮੈਂ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਕੀਤੀ ਗੂਗਲ ਤੇ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਕਿ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਛੋਟੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ,
I
ਤੇ
think it will
ਆਰਾਮ
be.
ਨਾਲ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਇਹ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਲਿਸਨਰਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟਸ ਨਾਲ ਵਧੀਆ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, so people are mostly inclined to move towards a female dentist ਅਗਰ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਹੋਏ ਵੀ ਐਕਸਟ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਠੀਕ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ।
Okay, ਕੱਲੀ ਐਕਸਟ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ, ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੀਜਰਸ ਹੈ।
ਹਾਂ, but you can do all,
But-
see, ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ I was reading somewhere and I said, ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ I prefer the female dentist than the male dentist, and I wondered why। ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀ, ਕਹਿੰਦਾ because ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਨਾਜ਼ੁਕ ਪਤਲੇ ਪਤਲੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, they can easily go inside the mouth and easily and male hand is that big hand, sorry Dr. Simar, I would not like to hurt any sentiments here. I also, because I have got many dentist friends over here, so my word is not at all against, it's just out of the just I'm saying. Hanji, please continue.
So there's a little affection that ladies have
yes.
innately.
So there is a affection with love. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਲ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਨੇ, ਮੈਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੀ, ਬਟ ਹਾਂ ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਆਊਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਾ, ਤਾਂ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਮੋਰ ਕੇਅਰਫੁਲ। ਤੇ ਮੇਲ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਚੀਕਾਂ ਮਾਰਨੀਆਂ, ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਾਰੀ ਜਾਣਾ, ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਮ ਤਕੜ ਚਲੋ ਜੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੱਢੋ ਤੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਪਾਓ ਦਰਦ। ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅਰਨਿੰਗ ਕੌਣ ਕਰਦਾ, ਫੀਮੇਲ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਜਾਂ ਮੇਲ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ, ਐਂਡ ਵਾਈ? I feel there is a difference. I agree to it. कि there is a difference. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਨਹੀਂ, so in one case ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ, but there is a difference in the female dentist earning and the male dentist earning. तो ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ earning ਕੌਣ ਕਰਦਾ? To be very honest in the clear answer.
ਕਲੀਨਿਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਹੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। ਆਲ ਦਾ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ, ਦੋ ਜਿੰਦ ਇੱਕ ਰੂਹ ਹੋ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ। Simar and Ravneet, to Ravneet, Simar ke.
See, the thing is ki Amritsar, I think there are more male dentists practicing.
Okay.
So maybe.
And in general, otherwise there is a gender bias view.
I think females, they have to consider options after marriage, what they can do. Some have to move out of city.
ਕਿਉਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ? Normally ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਈ ਸਿਲੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਵੀ ਹੋਏ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੇਖਣਗੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੇ ਮੇਲ ਹੈ ਤੇ go for it, अगर फीमेल है, अगर हस्बैंड नाल है फिर ठीक है, अगर कली फीमेल है तो फिर यू सी कितने साल हो गए प्रैक्टिस कर, अच्छा 15-20 साल हो गए, फिर तो हाथ साफ ही होएगा। we doubt, why we doubt the females capacities and their staminas and their IQ levels and their skills?
I think that is something that you should consider.
But
and
otherwise am I true in this? This is the,
I think males face the same problem, that if they are looking a bit young, people are like maybe they are not experienced, so they also face the same problem.
Okay.
It's us that how we
and
convince
if we say
the patient.
कि दंदा दी ज़्यादा problems किन्ना ਨੂੰ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ equally males and females के females ਨੂੰ ज़्यादा?
I think ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ignore ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ it's equally, but
what your ਤਜਰਬਾ says?
I think maybe females.
देखो females ने बोलना भी ज़्यादा,
क्योंकि
females
the
ने
thing is कि
गल्ला भी ज़्यादा करनी
ਨਿਆਣੇ ਸੰਭਾਲਣ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੇ ladies, they don't tend to take care of themselves.
they ignore themselves.
They are caring other people and maybe not taking care of themselves.
अच्छा, I want to know too, I'm going to wind up with the things. Because you are a couple dentist, right?
Yeah.
So I want to know कि एक dentist अपने dentist जो दा better half है, उसकी praise किਵੇਂ करता है? कि you are looking very bright, right? Yeah, your wisdom tooth is totally shining today. किਵੇਂ praise ਕਰਦੇ? ਦੋ dentist ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੀ praise ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹਣ, if they fall in love with each other, so how they praise each other?
Don't talk about dentistry. They praise like this.
They praise like this?
Don't talk about dentistry.
ਇੱਧਰ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਸਰ, ਆਓ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਕਰੋ। Don't talk about dentistry.
No, we praise in the normal manner.
You praise in the normal manner.
Yeah, but most of our talks are obviously about dentistry all the day. But
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਖ ਸੜ ਬਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ, ਉਹੀ ਦੰਦ ਬੱਤੀਸੀ and all that?
see, we are caring for our patients. We are always thinking of their welfare कि उन्होंने की सही है. So that's
Right.
what's on the back of our mind.
It is always said behind every successful man there is a woman. Your husband also feels the same, or he has got some other mindset?
So firstly, what I feel is that they go in hand. There's no someone ahead or behind, right?
Okay.
So they should go hand in hand. In my case, he tends to remind me from time and again that you are the reason that maybe I'm so successful after marriage.
Why I'm so successful.
Yeah, so
okay.
that's good.
So that's true and that's good also. because it is said कि हर कामयाब इंसान के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है और जो इसको डिनाई करेगा वो बाद में क्राई करेगा. Anyways, any incident which was the turning point in your life, either negative or positive, that made you a stronger woman?
So many incidents.
I would like
Everything
to-
that
one,
happened.
anyone.
No, I don't have anyone.
Now share anything that you would like to.
So I haven't thought of it.
Doesn't matter, you take your time.
Everything, my schooling and going into hostel into my own city, being independent at that time, then moving away.
Any particular incident is there? See, every day there are so many incidents and they keep on adding to our personality, keep on subtracting so many things. But is there any incident, any talk, any words, any statement, maybe of someone, of your parents, of your in-laws, of your husbands, that or of your own soul that realized you, yes, I should be on this track. I should think like this and I should be more strengthened. Something like this, or any turning point.
So initially I used to care about what everyone thinks.
What everyone thinks.
Yeah.
But this is something very common that all the girls,
Yeah.
as a boys hardly matter, but girls always, ki sochega, flana ki
Yeah.
sochega. So you were also like this.
Yeah. But
So how you then got rid of this?
I
phobia?
think with circumstances, I became a lot more confident about myself and my achievements. And then I thought, it does not matter what anyone thinks. If everything in my life has led to this point and I'm happy and I'm contented, that nothing should matter.
Okay, so I hope, my dear audience, you must have enjoyed this chit chat with Dr. Ravneet, the dentist, and keep smiling. And for the smiles, you'd require your batisi to shine and sparkle. And you can always meet Dr. Ravneet. This is a small gift hamper for both of you. It was wonderful to have interaction session with you. Thank you to Dr. Simar for getting his better half for this very show. Friday, the guest day, and Gurseema's Gup-Shup. And if you would like to be the guest over here and would like to have the Gup-Shup with Gurseema, your host is always ready. Till then, take care. See you soon. Goodbye.